February 27, 1933. The Berlin skies turned crimson. The heart of democracy, the Reichstag, was burning. Was it a terror attack or history's greatest conspiracy? To Hitler, it didn't matter. He had found the spark he needed. Although the fire was blamed on Marinus van der Lubbe, a Dutch communist caught at the scene, historians still debate whether the Nazis actually planned it themselves. This event allowed Hitler to push through the Reichstag Fire decree. It suspended fundamental rights, such as freedom of the press and assembly, and started a hunt for communists and dissidents. By the next morning, freedom was dead. Under the guise of protecting the people, the Constitution was suspended. There were no more courts, only orders. Old Hindenburg handed democracy over to its assassin with his own hands. But Hitler had a problem. His own street fighters, the SA, were now unsettling the army. To hold power, he had to choose his old friends or the generals. He made his decision in blood. June 30th, 1934, the night of the Long Knives. Hitler executed the very comrades who brought him to power in a single night. The message to the world was clear. There was no law in Germany anymore, only the Führer. He had absolute power, but empty coffers. War is expensive, and Germany was broke. Enter the financial wizard, Hjalmar Schacht. They created a phantom currency the world could not see, MEFO Bills. The Treaty of Versailles banned tanks, so they claimed to be building agricultural tractors. Official records showed peaceful machines. But in the factories, German steel was being reforged for the gathering storm. (1936), the first great gamble. Hitler marched his troops into the forbidden Rhineland. His generals said, "If the French fire, we are finished." but the guns remained silent. The West's cowardice fed the beast's courage. The hourglass was now counting down.